The US dollar index failed to test the level of 100. The US currency is extending its decline, moving away from the two-year high. The greenback is set to trade under pressure in the short term. At present, the greenback lags drivers for a steady rally. The US dollar was knocked down by a slump in the ISM manufacturing PMI. The following data also discouraged dollar bulls. Today, the US Department of Labor reported that the number of initial unemployment claims increased last week to the most extent in a month. In other words, sharp contraction in the US industry makes a negative impact on the job market amid waning global demand and lower investment. Nevertheless, the US economy looks more advantageous than the European one. Thus, the US dollar is well supported by solid fundamentals. Its index, which tracks the greenback's dynamic against 6 major currencies, dipped below 99 on Thursday. Traders are anticipating a report of crucial importance, which is due on Friday. The US nonfarm payrolls are going to confirm or deny the rumors of whether the US economy has slipped into recession. After evaluating these and other economic indicators, the market will speculate about whether the Federal Reserve is ready to cut interest rates at the nearest policy meeting. The Canadian dollar is extending weakness as crude oil prices are heading for the lowest mark in 2 months. Today, oil prices made an effort to recover. The risks of a slowdown in the global economy are taking a backseat. Investors express faint hope for progress in the trade talks between the US and China. After a short pause, the loonie is again losing ground. The dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair passed the level of 1.3300 and settled up at near 1.3336. Meanwhile, market participants are fretted about downbeat macroeconomic data from around the world. As a result, forex is trading under high volatility. Interestingly, the pound sterling is the best performer. It received a boost from the new Brexit plan unveiled by Boris Johnson in Parliament. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you back tomorrow.